I'll take them. So, pretty sure wine bottle holder, towel holder. This is probably the corkscrew holder. Yep, bottle opener. Cool. All right, on. They tried taking it off. Let me see something. Oh. All right, there's one piece. All right. All right, onwards. This one can go here. This goes there. And this goes into the teardown bin. Onwards. All right. Computer stuff. Where did that go? Right there. Love it when I find wires and stuff. Yeah, that's got a lot of aluminum on it. so I'm gonna tear that one down. Yeah, some of the TV computer stands will have aluminum all around it. So plastic. Still in there? Yeah. Right there. Alright. Alright. Did drop some wires, so let me grab those real quick. Alright. Let's go. Really don't know enough about them. I don't want to take them without knowing. I'll do some research before I leave. Onwards. All right. Oh. So, yeah, some of these Santas are on eBay and other stuff for 100 and up. So yeah, I'll take them and give them a chance. Good thing I did get back out to check it, because there was Christmas lights and a few other things in the bag. So yeah, let me go check this pile. I can't see nothing from inside the truck. Okay. We'll go ahead and roll down this window well now. Alright, we'll bring y'all back when we find more. Onwards. Don't know nothing about shoes like that. Alright. Put that in the tear down. Alrighty. Let's get it. Alright. So, oh, where is it? Here we go. All right. Oh, so we got a mixture. I'm pretty sure I can just split them. No stick, and all those sticks. Put those there. Put these here. Nothing. Wood. More wood. Alright. Oh, that felt like a gun. Nerf gun. Alright, and then that is metal. Wow. Alrighty, onward. Feels like it's all plastic. Yeah. But got a little piece of brass out of it. But I just heard metal. Yeah. Alright. And these are magnetic. Alright. It goes here. And this goes down in the teardown bin. Let's get Alright. Let's get it. Alright, onwards. Hey, look at there. No, there's something metal there. Yeah, I know it's metal, I just don't know what it is. Sign holders. Or like garage sale signs, advertisement signs. Probably the same thing. Yep. I could definitely sell those. I don't know how much, but I could definitely sell them. Alright. Let me put that there. Oh. Take no brass off of this one. I'll do the rest later. Mainly because I got that dog working. Whew. Let's get our piece of brass. What is that? Oh, that's cheese. I'm not taking that. Okay. All right. Put that in a tear down bin. Ooh. For 10 years now. 10 years. I've been doing this route scrapping, because that's been a scrapper way before I was a YouTuber. That dog's been in that garage and barks anytime I pick up stuff. A lot of people ask me, do I remember where I pick up stuff? And to be honest, yes. Almost every single item I've ever picked up. It's weird, but I could look at a house and tell you what I picked up at that house before. So I mean, it's just one of those things. It's weird. And I've had to go back to a house, like, because I picked up stuff like working mowers and stuff, and took it to a pawn shop. It was reported stolen, so I had to show them which house I picked it up from. And I think that could be a lot of the reasons why I remember, but even then I remembered, so I doubt that's the reason. It's just, I mean, you just remember where you pick stuff up at, I guess. Almost. Keep coming across so much Christmas stuff. See, the white reindeers I'll fix. The ones that are all white, they're just easier, and I think they look better than these things. What do we got here? That's Santa. Huh. Okay. I'll put him together when I get home and see what's up with him. Well, I don't know if I told y'all, but those 3 white reindeers I picked up like 2 videos ago or something like that, they all worked, all 3 of them. So yeah, onward. I can't just get it off. I'm putting it all up here for now. Let me get that cord though, because if it gets buried, I probably won't get it back out until I get the TMR, and I don't want to take that risk. Put snippers on both sides of the truck tonight. Alright, let's get it. What do we got? Aluminum or steel? That's a steel chair. Yep. Alright, Alright, onwards. So this is the last pickup for tonight. I'm not going to do a dump run. There's just not enough to it. So alright. Put that here. Come on. I'm gonna have to turn it. Feels like it's completely filled with water. Look at there, it's filled with water. Man, that sucker was heavy. chilly out here. See what temp it is. No. Current temperature 54 degrees. Oh, it feels cooler than that. That's weird. Did it break him? No, he's good. Surprised though. Alright. So, what's this? Yeah. Current temperature in Orlando, Florida. Yeah, 54 degrees, feels like 52. All right, well, this is the end of this one. We're not going to the yard, so please remember to like and subscribe, and we'll catch you next time. Bye bye for now.